model, 2015 Vauxhall Movano F3500 L3h1 Cdti Luton box, van with tail lift long MOT. Body, silver, Luton box. Mileage, 191688. MOT, the 17th of October 2025. Engine, 2299 cc 2.3125 pse 5J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, electric windows, tailift in working order. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,